Swingful week for natural gas, opening with a gap up at 3.9. We have seen it dropping towards 3.45, and then towards the middle of the week, another high is created at 3.95 before closing with a drop again at 3.6. Now, what to expect from Nat Gas in the coming week as it is trading in this bullish channel? Can we expect a greener candle? Can we expect a breakout from here? Or is it going to reverse and break below 3.4, 3.2 zone? What is going to be our strategy in order to profit trading natural gas in the coming week? We're going to see with the help of charts and indicators. This is a weekly review, and this is the only channel to give you twice a day updates for natural gas. First with the Asia session, next with the US session. Both the updates gives you a precise level so that you can profit throughout the day. Thus subscribe, press the bell icon, do like, share and comment, join the free telegram channel for live updates, and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's start. First we look into the weekly charts here, and yes, towards the end of this update I'll be sharing the trading levels, so watch till the end. The crossover here in the moving averages is a very good indication that natural gas has turned bullish for the near term, and it is trading with divergence. Now, in fact, the 2800 period has also crossed over, which is another good sign. Look at the channel it is creating with higher lows, and just connect the peaks here, higher highs here. So if it starts with a gap up in the coming week, we can expect another good bullish move, and it is now very critical for it to stay above $4 levels. That is the only level above which you can say now the gas prices are going to rally again, and we are looking forward to a move towards 4.2 or 4.4 levels. In my annual review for natural gas, I have very clearly mentioned that the positioning for natural gas for the year 2025 is going to stay bullish. We can in fact aim for 6 or higher levels here. Yes, $6 levels are also possible. But right now, when you see the charts here, right now I can see it is showing swings. Look at the rise, and every rise is offset with a little drop. This time it is just trading in this channel, and it is waiting for a breakout here. Now, coming week, couple of the key levels which are going to play an important role. First at around 3.5, then towards 3.25, 3.3. This is the most strongest support, and the strongest one is at the 3 and 2.95 zone. So these are the three levels which are going to play a major role here for the natural gas if at all it shows any down move. So now see, right now it is positioned at 3.6, and from 3.6 to 3 it is almost a 20% correction. And thus it, though it is not difficult for gas to erase all the gains, but I see that with the adverse weather conditions in US specifically, the demand of gas might affect a bit, and thus possibility of a little rise still exists. If you look at the stochastic, this is fallen flat. While the look at MACD, it is trading with divergence, staying bullish. But see, look at the highs MACD has created, and see the bottom from minus 1000. It is starting to recover, and now it is aiming at least towards plus 500 or higher levels, which means the near term prospects for natural gas are still gonna remain bullish. RSI comfortable here. Coming to the daily, now look at the daily charts. The trading is simple here. See, the highs are connected, the lows are also connected, and it is also creating an intermittent channel here. See, three support levels. First towards 3.5, 3.45 levels in the coming week. That is going to be the first and very strong one. Then I will say 3.3 and 3.25, the second one, very strong. And if at all it trades below 3.3 and 3.25 zone, you can say now bears are taking a grip here, and you can expect it to move towards $3 levels. Though if you look at the movement, see, after forming this double bottom and giving this breakout, it is just delivering the swings here. And just notice the last few candles, you can see a gap up, then retracement, then a bounce back, and then now a retracement again. Also remember, after a couple of greener candles, this is the first candle, and if it opens below the 20 weeks average, if it trades below 3.5 and drops below 3.45, you can expect that the next targets are going to be towards 3.3, 3.25 zone, which is going to be the next strongest support. The stochastic has dropped here. The MACD again trying to converge, crossover for a sell. It is right now staying in the green, and it is coming. See, look at the waves. The wave is diminishing here. So the direction it takes is going to remain the direction here for a while. RSI looking downwards. Signs are still bearish here on the daily charts. Coming to the monthly, on the monthly charts, see, moving averages after the crossover are trading bearish on the monthly charts. Look at the stance it has created. See, looking at the candle, first of all, look at the Bollinger Bands. These have narrowed sharp here, and it is time for now for the bands to expand. Now, for bands to expand, the prices has to close outside Bollinger Bands, which means In the month of January, we can see net gas staying bullish, which can in fact take it towards 4.2, 4.4 zone. Now, also notice there is a big gap left from 4.4, 4.5, which it would like to fill very, very. Now, look at the monthly candles as well. See, preceding candle, a swing candle, it has already delivered higher lows, so it is time for it to deliver higher highs, which means this month it might try to move towards 4.2. And I'll say there is still, I can see that it could try to bounce back, but yes, any closer of the month at around 3.6 should be a reversal sign as well, which will be an indication that, see, the bullishness here is getting diminished and now prices might reverse. Though, when you look at the MACD now, see, there is an interesting sign here in MACD. After trading bearish here for a while, it has crossed over. It is now trading with divergence, looking upwards. This is a very, very good sign. See, for long, for a couple of years, it has just traded with bearishness. Look at the divergence, and now it is starting to look upward. So I expect the next few months, possibly natural gas might not try to reverse or deliver higher highs every time. That is what is my expectation. When you look at the stochastic, this is also at the top. Now, the closer of the current monthly candle is going to be pretty important here, and I will say you should not be treating this as bearish, at least till towards 3.2, 3.325, 3.3 zone is not taken, only below which you can expect 3.2 and $3 levels, and only if it trades below 3 you can treat this as reversal. Else, I will say, still the signs are very much bullish here. Let's also have a look at the 4-hour chart. What's happening on the 4-hour charts here? See, higher lows here and higher highs here. Now, this time what has happened, see, first a gap up, then a retracement, then higher highs, then higher lows. So it is trying to create another bullish, and now bearishness here in the price is only and only if it trades below this zone, which and below the week's low 3.55, 3.54. So now when you see on Monday, if you see natural gas trading below 3.55, 3.54, you can take a selling entry and expect it to move towards 3.5, 3.45 level. So here, when it comes out of this channel, this bullish wave, we can expect a little drop where we can expect it to move towards 3.45, and see the next strongest one. You can see how much time it took to break below this zone at 3.35. So this is the most strongest one here, and then specifically look at this three bottoms here, so towards 3.24. So these are the critical levels which definitely you have to watch out while gas starts or resumes its downward journey. See, this time it is breaking these lows, that it is coming out of it. I will just wait for it to stay below 3.55, 3.54 zone, which should be a good support here, below which certainly slight more increasing bearishness should be seen here. The stochastic has come to an oversold zone, which is also not a good sign, but one thing is there, that, see, it has hit the bottom, so chances of reversal should be high. Look at the MACD crossing over here, trading with divergence, looking downwards. See, it has formed a double bottom, and if you divide this into two, you can see a symmetry. What happened here? It could replicate the same, which means it can come down towards this, which suggests that there could be slight bearishness where the prices might hit the lows before bouncing back. So it is for sure natural gas is again going to show you another swingful week here. RSI is dropping here. So now we have seen the charts, you've seen the indicators. Time for me to give you the trading levels and the strategy. And before I provide you the trading levels and the strategy, if you want to learn this art of trading, join my mentorship batch. And if you just want to trade as per the signals, be a part of my signals channel on Telegram. Connect with me, write an email, ping me over Telegram for your queries. And if you're looking forward to a broker which offers you a swap-free account with lowest spreads and no hidden charges, easier transactions and easier withdrawals from across the globe, you can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video description. First, let's talk about the levels to buy. Very simple here. 3.61 itself you can buy. Expect 3.64, 3.65 as the first target zone. Easily achievable, this one. Then the most important, and once 3.7 is taken, chances will be very, very high that we may see prices moving towards 3.78, 3.9, and this time ideally 3.95 should be there, but I will be looking forward to a move towards 4.02, 4.1, and then 4.2 levels. Beyond 4.2, sky is the limit. We can aim for 4.4, the chances of which appears to be less, that it is going to deliver such a rally, such a strong move. Though it is anything and everything is possible. Towards the couple of weeks back, we have seen a 20% rally in just one single day. It can replicate the same, but the chances for which appears to be less, and hence on the upside, at least you have to watch out how it behaves towards 3.95, $4 levels, even if it rises or gives a gap up in the coming week. On the downside, I will now recommend you to sell here at 3.54 levels. If you see it is staying below 3.54, take a sell for 3.5, and then below 3.5 it is 3.45. If these two levels are taken, 3.38 is the next, 3.32 is the third, and if it trades below 3.32, 3.26 levels will appear. Now these are very good support levels here. Remember this fact, these are very good support levels here. As and how NatGrace breaches these levels, it is going to turn increasingly bearish. Now this is one milestone. If you see natural gas trading below this, you can expect increasing bearishness, where the chances will be high that we may see prices moving towards $3 levels here. Though I do not expect this to happen, but yes, a little bearishness might follow, and then a bounce back is what definitely has to be there. So even if it tries to drop, it may again come back towards 3.6 levels towards the end of the month. So this is something you should watch out for. It possibly can give you a fake breakout before bouncing back. So take your trades accordingly. Be cautious with the levels. You have to ensure that you are not getting caught with the swings. You have to just stick to the trend here. Trade accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Press the bell icon. Join my mentorship batch. Join my signals channel. Reach out to me for your queries. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates. And join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. See you again with tomorrow with my daily updates. Do not miss to watch that. Thus, join the free Telegram channel for updates. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading week ahead and a happy weekend. Thank you.